Thou that with thy splendor bright dost glorify the stars above, our peace, our life, our truth, our light, Jesus, be with us in thy love. Thy mystic baptism on this day made Jordan's wave turn back with fear. Dear Lamb, still bear our sins away, in all our actions still be near. The shining star of Bethlehem, guiding the kings to thee this day, be unto